So hi guys, we have here amount. This is recyclable items guys, or materials, plastics, empty bottles. These are recyclable. And what we are going to do now is we gonna give this item through the bigger, no? Yung mga nagpapalimos doon sa mga daan. So ito yung pinaka-modern na moderno na pagtulong natin sa kanila. We go out to the streets and then we have to give them this one. As a matter of fact, this is like around 40 to 30 euro amount on this plastics. So, ang mangyari dito, ilalagay ito sa vending machine, sa mga recyclable machine. And then, bibigay sila ang machine mismo, bibigay ng discounted or refundable ticket na amount kung corresponding to the amount of these recyclable items. So, we gonna look outside for the bigger or whatever we can find on outside world. So pupunta tayo sa labas and then pamigay natin to. Instead na tayo ang balik nito sa vending machine and then makatanggap tayo ng refund. May pundo kasi ito guys. So may pundo, so hindi na tayo kukuha ng pundo nito. Ibibigay natin to sa mga nangangailangan din ng mga alam nyo na, pang grocery. So let's go. So we have to travel like around 5 minutes from here, 5 minutes from the house, and we go to some kind of grocery stores where we can find the needy or mga bigger or streets bigger, whatever we called. So we're gonna look around and then we have to give them the recyclable plastics. So stay tuned. So first lulusubin natin is yung Sintra, no? Sintra Super Mart dito sa may Springfield. Baka mayroon tayong makita dito na nangailangan ng tulong o whatever. So pupunta tayo dito sa Sintra muna. Kung mayroon tayong makikita dito, Sintra. And then after sa Sintra, kung wala, pupunta tayo sa either Aldi or Lidl. So we gonna go there and then we'll have to look around like where we can give the recyclable items. This is around 40 to 30 euro guys, recycling. So when you go to the vending machine, and then the vending machine will give you a receipt or a ticket for a refund. So this is the Sintra actually, but we couldn't find some bystanders in there. Couldn't find, so we go to other shops where we can buy bystanders. We will donate the recyclable items. Okay. Dito tayo sa may Lidl ngayon. So try natin dito kung may mahanap tayo dito. Okay, positive. Target lock. So meron tayong mahanap. Yan siya. Yan, yung nakaupo na yan. Diyan natin ibibigay yung ating tulong, no? So hanap tayo ng paradahan. So ito yung paparking muna tayo. So ito yung ating modernong paraan. Instead na bibigyan natin sila ng cash sabutan, cash, hindi cash ang ibibigay natin sa kanila, kung hindi recyclable items na pwede din nilang mapakinabangan. So kagaya niyan guys, na meron siyang basura na recycling items at siya na mismo nagpasok dun sa loob at siya na mismo ang gumagamit. Iba tayo, ang pakay natin is ibigay natin yung recyclable items natin dun sa mga nangangailangan, kagaya nito. Yan, nakaupo na yan, nagpapalimos yan eh. So instead na bibigyan natin ng cash o pera, ibibigay natin is recycling. Dito kasi guys, ang recycling mapakinabangan, bawat bili nyo ng empty bottles like Coke, Pepsi or whatever that you may buy, you may get, there is a corresponding deposit, no? Like as I heard, one bottle of Coke or Pepsi or whatever is like €1 or €1 more or less, or 50 cents. And then pag naipon-ipon itong mga ganito, lalaki ito ang amount. Pwede ba doon sa mga cans, no? Ang mga cans is like 30 cents, 35 cents sometimes. So pupuntahan na natin at ibibigyan na natin yung ating recyclable items na tulong, no? Yeah. So instead na tayo magki-claim, pamigay na natin yung recyclable items. So bear with me guys, I'll go there, I get the recyclable items and give them. So yan, pinasok na niya agad doon sa loob pagtanggap niya ng tulong, no? So that's the way to do it guys. Modern what is this, tabang. Thank you.